All right, mate, let's have a look here. FET and FTT. Yeah, not very good at this point in time. You see a bit of a rejection. You'd want to see, you don't want to see FTT breaking down below this. This is your large volume candle. It's obviously the topping candle. Um, you want to see this holding in and around this area and pushing back up above here. You know, this back above the capitulation. It's also obviously support over here. You know, so you really want to see this holding very soon. To add, I don't think you should add. Um, you know, the worry is that this is a bearish weekly candle and there's only 1 day left. What if you get a second red weekly candle back down? Imagine that was a red candle. You know, so that's the worry at this point. What you want is obviously something like this, where it bounces back up pretty soon afterwards. You know, you get the red week down, but it recovers pretty quick, and that's obviously what you're looking for. FET, you know, again, you're underwater, but you have to be careful when you're buying. You know, up here above previous highs, like there is quite a lot of times where you can just get this deviation and this fails and rolls right back down. So I don't really suggest adding, just in case this is some sort of deviation, you know, because then you're obviously adding, and what if there was a big drop on the market? You're leaving yourself to the mercy of the market, and that can be dangerous. So, you know, I'm not saying it's going to drop like that, but I'm just saying, you know, this is a serious move straight up. When this happened last time, you know, you can see that when we went straight up last time, when we started getting this chop, that was distribution, and then we rolled away. So is this sort of distribution, you know, before rolling away? I'm not saying it is. I'm just saying, you know, there's similarities here to what there was here. We've also had, you know, capitulation up here. You can see what's happened. You know, it's red on a 2-week. It popped up to take liquidity into this large 2-week candle and then rejected, and now we have flipped red on the week. Technically, this is bearish. So it's a very dangerous place to be adding. If the loss is not huge, maybe you could consider cutting, or maybe even cut 50% of it to kind of protect yourself in case it does go lower. That's what I do when I'm in a loss. I just cut 50% of it and then try and reassess. So you didn't give any other information, you know, where you entered or whatever. So I'm not too sure. But you know, you're in a quite a dangerous place. What if this closed down here, and then maybe the market rolled away? So it's kind of dangerous at this point. I mean, dangerous in the fact that, you know, if it did roll away, you're trapped up here. I'm not saying that it's definitely rolling away yet. I'm just saying your position is dangerous. So just be careful anyway.